Hey, what is up guys? It's Sangha from Spetsnaz here, and I'm here to show you how to paint your airsoft mesh mask. The first thing you will need to do is to lay down your base coat of spray paint. Mine will be tan. This will be the color that shows up on the places I later tape up. You want to add 2 coats of this just to make sure you get all the spots. Next thing you will want to do is to tape up the places you don't want painted, meaning, for me, places I want to keep tan. You can make any shape with your tape to create any design. Once you tape it up, then you can lay down your second color of spray paint, mine being green. You also want to put on 2 coats of spray paint just to make sure that you get everything you want. Once it is dry, you can take off the tape and enjoy your custom mask. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more airsoft content and leave a comment down below if you would like any other types of videos. Thank you guys so much, and again, have a nice day.